Hello friends, my little sister has a fancy dress competition at preschool with the best out of waste theme. Here are the things I used: paper plates, multicolored plastic spoons, Fevicol, colorful flowers from old garlands, and old frock, scissors. First, I cut the spoons into half like this. Next, I cut the paper plates into 4 equal parts. Then I stuck 3 spoon pieces on each paper plate part using Fevicol and kept them ready. I checked how many pieces I needed by measuring the size of the frock. Now I started sticking them on the frock from the bottom. I stuck one line to decorated paper plates pieces and above that a line of plain paper plate pieces. I continued this pattern alternately. I repeated the same steps on the back side of the frock as well. When I reached the waist, I stuck the pieces as shown in the video. For the top body part, I used flowers from the old garland and stuck them neatly. I also added some flowers on the back sleeves and hands. And finally, the best out of waste dress for the fashion walk was ready. My cute little sister in the outfit designed by me. Please like, share and subscribe.